Now we will calculate IRR, internal rate of return. Internal rate of return is a discounting rate that makes the net present value of all cash flows from a particular project equals to 0. We have calculated net present value in the previous video. Now we will see how to calculate IRR. Okay, now imagine some client is going to come and say that there is one project which requires 350 crores of investment. Okay, see here. Then he says, as per the projected P&L, the net income is going to be year 1 21, year 2 there is an appreciation, and year 3 there is an appreciation, year 4 there is an appreciation, and year 5 there is an appreciation, and these are the income. Say this project first year earned 6% income, and every year it is growing at say 10% from there on. And if he decides to sell the project say in the year 5, he will get somewhere around 380 rupees, 380 crores. Okay, this is what it is. Now how to calculate IRR? Okay, year 1, or we can say year 0, then 1 2 3 4 5. In year 0 we are going to invest, so it's an outflow, so negative of 350. And year onwards we are going to get positive cash flows, so these are positive things. And year 5 you also get this 380, so 410 rupees, 410 crores you will get on year 5. Now say imagine today the government bond or something gives you a return of say 6% or 7%. So we can have a discounting factor of 7. Okay, say discounting factor at government bond rate, say 7%. So year 0, that is today's scenario, 350 crores is equal to 350 crores. 1 year after which we will be receiving 21. So in today's term it's how much? Okay, that's what. So these are the things, if you put, what you will get? You will get what? You will get PV. Okay, now we will not doing this calculation. Instead we will do IRR calculation, equal to IRR, open bracket, then select, then put some percentage, say 3% or 4% or 5% or any percentage. Say I am going to put say 4%, just any percentage you can put, no issue. So 9% is your internal rate of return. At this rate, or 8.65% actually, at this rate we are getting our NPV as 0. For example, we will put say discounting factor at 8.65%, just checking. Now 1 divided by 1.0865. Okay, now we will calculate this. Now if we add this is 8.65 say 35, it's almost, we calculated at 8.65 say 35, then from this divided by 1.086535. See how much we are getting now, 0.00. So how to calculate discounting factor? 1 divided by 1.0865. Now that divided by 1.0865. So like that we have to do, and we have to multiply this, and we will get present value, PV. So at this rate this net present value is becoming 0. So this is how we have to calculate IRR. So this is IRR calculation. So how to calculate IRR? I repeat, all the cash flows, okay, first cash flow is negative, that is investment, and last cash flow is return, that when we close the project, that's called terminal value. You add it and you can put equal to IRR formula and drag it, you will get IRR. Okay, this will be very useful for your decision making purpose.